So today is October 19th. I just want to put up a short video to let everybody know that I'll be posting new material this week. However, none of it will be applicable to the pending quiz that I posted over the weekend, and which is due by, I believe it's 11:30 p.m. This Thursday. So that's where we stand. To find the quiz, it's under lessons, and it's quiz 2, and that'll be the case in all of the courses. So more material to come in each course this week, and I think we're moving along in all of the courses at a good pace. I encourage you again, if you have any communication, please send it to me. But use my college email, collins@ecc.edu. If it's a message that's sent to me on Blackboard, for some reason, at least this is my experience, is difficult to work with a mobile device, whether it's an iPad or whether it's an iPhone, at least when it comes to messages. So it's a lot easier for me to keep track of everything regarding communications if it's just college email. But please, I welcome all of your communications. There's a couple I received that I haven't responded to, and that's going to be my next order of business for me today. But that's it. I just want to remind you that the quiz 2 should be done by 11:30 p.m.